Hello guys, welcome back to Edge Institute. Today our topic how to become a public speaker. So my dear guys, if you want to become a public speaker, so you need to just work on your thoughts. My dear guys, you need to just work on your reading session. If you speak annual topic, if you want to speak about annual topic, so you need to just work on your answer topic. What do you want to speak on front of the audience? If you know this thing, what can I speak up front of the audience, so you can give the speech. Otherwise you don't know what can I speak in front of audience, so maybe you can't speak anything. But if you want to express yourself, so just work on yourself. If you want to express yourself with confidently, so just work what do I want, express my views front of audience. First time you need to understand the audience. Second point, consider yourself, what will I give that person. This person would like to take this thing of the material, you not would like to take this material. My dear, there are many people would like to answer listening your voice, but first don't hesitation. If you don't feel hesitation, my dear, if you want to speak with confidently, so just repeat your question. Keep practice yourself one time. Please practice yourself and front of mirror you are talking to yourself, so speak on the stage. If you want to speak with confidently on the stage, so just talking, continue, keep yourself. If you continue keep yourself talking, so you can speak anything, my dears. But don't keep fear. If you keep fear in your mind, so maybe you can't speak anything. But if you want to become a good public speaker, so just understand the topic, understand the depth, what will I speak on the stage, so consider this thing. So my guys, if you understand this thing, so you can speak on the stage. If you want to far fear of the public speaking, so you need to just face many times stage. If you face stage problem, so one day you can become a confident fluently speaker. Thanks for watching video guys.